close till I get up.
Hi beautiful people, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this braided wig. It's a 1 gray or salt and pepper, and this is how it looks. It has a 4x4 closure with baby hair, and then it has adjustable straps at the back just to make it more secure, and an extra band as well. So I'm going to try it on. I've introduced this color to you before in black in color 133.
Highways till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So as you can see, it's a very simple style, like just like that, and you're good to go. So I make this style in different colors, and then it comes in different sizes: small, medium, and large. My head is 22.5, so that is medium. When you order from the website, always pick your size. And then I'm going to do the baby hair. If you don't want the baby hair, always just cut this extra lace right here. Just cut it to remove the baby hair. I forgot to tell you guys, I also applied foundation on this net right here so that it blends well with my complexion.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the